Have you ever sat alone at 2 a.m., staring at your bank balance, wondering, is this it? That quiet ache in your chest, not for more money, but for a reason to believe this life can still surprise you? If you've ever felt like you're made for something bigger, this story isn't just for you. It is you. The man you're about to meet didn't start rich. He started with silence, a broken laptop, a cracked phone, and a head full of rebellion. His name is Samir Talib. Before he turned 32, he built a billion-dollar crypto empire without creating a single coin. Now hold on. Don't blink. If you leave now, you might miss the business strategy that could rewrite your destiny. Samir grew up in Beirut, a city where power cuts were more regular than school bells. He saw Bitcoin not as an investment, but as asterisk electricity, a lifeline. He said, when banks stop working, belief becomes currency. Here's how he cracked the code of crypto without mining, without coding, and without luck. Step 1. He saw the chaos, not the coins. When crypto boomed, others bought Ethereum. Samir bought ... problems. He noticed every new trader was overwhelmed. Too many wallets, too many keys, too much jargon. So he created Asterisk Arcana, not an exchange. A guide, an app that didn't trade crypto, it taught crypto. With voice notes, animated flows, and AI wallet setups. It was the Duolingo of decentralization. Now, here is your quiz moment. If 1 million people downloaded his app, but only 3% paid for premium, and he made $27 million in his first year, what was his subscription fee? Comment below with your guess. I'll reveal it later. Back to Samir. Step 2. He didn't chase investors. He attracted believers. He ran a podcast, The Next Wallet. No ads, no guests, just one story per episode. Real people, real failures. He cried on air, once. That episode went viral in Dubai, Nigeria, and Mumbai. Soon, governments called him. Not to fund coins, but to educate citizens. He became the oracle of onboarding. Short reminder, my friends, if this story is giving you chills, it's because it's built for you. Smash the like, but more importantly, don't miss what's next. Step 3. The pivot that broke the world's brain. Samir noticed something no one else did. Everyone was trying to scale horizontally. More users, more tokens. He scaled vertically, more value per user. He offered Arcana Black, a private mentorship group. Price? 1 Bitcoin per year. No ads, no marketing. Just a single email sent on January 3rd every year. Now you might say, who paid that? Well, in 2024, 103 people paid. Do the math. But wait, here's where the plot twists. One day, Samir vanished, deleted Twitter, shut down Arcana. No press release, nothing. Why? He posted only one thing on his blog. If I keep teaching the poor how to trade, they'll never stop being poor. But if I teach them how to build their own platforms, the rich will come asking for entry. He wasn't building wealth, he was building rebellion. Now here's your real takeaway. The strategy wasn't crypto. It was empathy. He found the pain and turned it into a product. He built trust before he built tech, and scaled silence before sound. My question to you is this: what pain in your life are you ignoring? That could be your product. Comment it. Let the world see your spark. You see, Samir didn't chase crypto trends. He created rituals. Every time the market crashed, he donated 10% to orphan tech schools. When his father passed, he built a Bitcoin memorial chain in his name. Emotion wasn't his weakness. It was his moat. Now, before I end this tale, let me ask you one last thing. How many Samirs are out there? Lost in a job they hate, staring at screens, waiting for the weekend. Maybe you're one of them. Don't wait for the perfect coin. Don't wait for permission. Learn from the story, live your own. And if you leave this video without subscribing, you may forget this tale tomorrow. But you'll remember one thing, that you had a spark tonight, and you walked away. Don't do that. Subscribe now, not for me, but for the future version of you who needs this. Who needs asterisk you? Because this is not just a finance channel. It's a revolution of the mind. And you, my friend, are exactly on time.